nadridana tiranana
Hello everyone, today we are preparing Shahi Paneer. Shahi Paneer is a rich gravy from the Awadhi cuisine. For this preparation, first we need to prepare white gravy. For preparing white gravy, first we will take a saucepan and we will take the cashews which is washed and soaked for 30 minutes and melon seeds and onion quarters, 2 bay leaf, 2 slit green chilli and 5 cardamom with little bit of water. We will cover it with the cap and we will wait for 20 minutes. We will check this once 15 minutes has done, and you can see here the onion is getting pinkish color. We will check it whether the cashew has boiled. It has to little bit boiled, and we will cover with the lid and cook it for another 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes has done, so we will check it. So all the cashews and melon seeds has got cooked. Now we will switch off the flame and remove this bay leaf aside and strain the mixture and cool it and puree in a mixer. After pureeing, we will strain it. Now we will take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil with 1 tablespoon of butter, add half teaspoon of shajira, half cup of fine chopped onion, once this onion gets cooked, we will add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook it until the raw flavor goes away. Next, add green chilli, once the green chilli is added and sauteed well, now add the cashew melon paste which we have prepared by straining into the pan. Through this straining method, you can remove all the impurities which are present in the cashew melon paste, and if anything is not grounded well, this can be removed. So this we can neatly clean it off. We'll add little water into the mixer and we'll completely clean it. Mix it properly and add the paneer dices which you have cut it. Mix it well. If you want this gravy to be little watery, you can add little amount of water. Mix it properly and cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. This gravy is so rich by adding cashew melon paste and butter and at last we will add fresh cream and little bit of cardamom powder. Cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes has done. Yes, we have the yummy Shahi Paneer, which is prepared in the Nawabi style. I am getting a very delicious flavor, and the paneer is also cooked. If you see the consistency of the paneer, the texture is very soft. We will add little salt, little cardamom powder, which gives good taste to the dish, and tablespoon of butter, and mix everything well. And once the butter gets dissolved in the dish, add fresh cream. After adding fresh cream, switch off the flame and mix it. And this Shahi Paneer could be had with any palaus or any rotis or tandoori naans, butter naans and plain rotis. Gives a very good taste, and it is a very rich gravy, and this preparation is from the white gravy, and we have boiled all the cashews, melon seeds, slit green chili, cardamoms and onions. We have boiled well and blended well, so all the flavors will infuse well into the gravy and it will get very good taste. So we will take this into the bowl. Can put little cream as garnish on top. Coriander leaves as garnish. This delicious Shahi Paneer has completed. So try this recipe at your home and share your valuable experience through comments. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.